All right, hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Show Your Work live stream. So, how's everybody doing today? Looks like we got a lot of posts so far. I mean, we already got 8 games to go through. So, that will be pretty exciting. How's everyone doing today? Sounds like there's a lot of people in chat who are getting ready to show their work, and that's awesome. No lag, that's good. We're having no technical difficulties. Everything all good? Awesome. And one thing that's really cool is that we have 38 people right now watching the live stream, and the live stream just started. I mean, there was like 37 people watching the live stream before it even started. So that was really, really awesome. That's awesome. Everybody's doing good. Glowworm is doing great. Hey, dog. Hey, Anders. How's it going? Um, ET. Skeety. Eteeskitutorials. That's funny. I like that. I love you too, Dan. You guys are awesome. So yeah. Oh, one thing I want to talk about. Yeah, 39. One thing I want to talk about before I start getting into this Show Your Work live stream. Has anybody seen the previews for the movie trailer for After Earth? Oh my God, I want to see that movie so badly. It has been so long since I've seen a movie where I was like super excited for it to come out. Like, oh my gosh, I am so looking forward to After Earth. That's just the trailer has just been playing through my head like all morning. It's holy crap. All right, I'll stop talking about that and I'll start talking about um never heard of it. Go look up the trailer right now, especially if you're a Will Smith fan. Holy crap. Like Will Smith and Jaden Smith in the same movie, and they play a father and son character, so it's just like perfect. And it's sci-fi, and I love sci-fi, so I have never been more excited for a movie, but that doesn't really have anything to do with the live stream. So let's actually get to this. So I think, yeah, Will Smith. Ah, he's like the Will Smith version of Morpheus in this movie. It looks so awesome. I can't stop. I want to see it so bad. I want to get a time machine. But yeah. Anyways, okay. Let's take a look at the first project. So, Project Deathmatch. Who is this by? Let me actually. Oh, dang it! Here, let me add a screen region. Add screen region. Let's see. Where do I normally do my screen regions? I usually go like that, and then technical difficulties already. Come on. All right. There we go. Now it's like zoomed in. You can actually see what is going on. Oh, so this is from Anders, who we have in the chat window right now. It is you, Anders, unless you have somebody impersonating you, in which case it wouldn't be you. But I assume that this is you. So let's see. Let me make sure you guys can read that. Yeah, that's really hard to get all in the window. Whatever, I'll just read it. I am making an FPS set in the Western. I am heavily emphasizing the feel of weapons and the environment around you. I want you to feel that when you shoot a gun, you just freaking shot a gun. That's awesome. Our team consists of me and a friend of mine. Any real models that isn't just blocks, cylinders, isn't mine. For example, the trees and ground. Okay. I think you will find the recoil of 3 out of the 4 guns available in the game at the time. I got a real good one-shot recoil. All right, cool. Cool, and we got It Hurts opinions going on here. So let's actually jump into the game. All right, whoa, all right. What's going on? Whoa, I guess I got a full screen this. Whoa, that is a huge screen. Am I zoomed in? Yeah, I'm zoomed in to like 300%. Holy crap. Alright, let's just right click and select. Actually, here, let me get rid of that. I'm just trying to set it up so you guys can see. That's not right either. Okay, well, let's click there. Alright, let's zoom it out to 100%. And then let's refresh it because I think the GUI was a little messed up because I was zoomed in so much. And what happened? Why is the chat window messed up? Click there. Click there. Okay. Alright, technical difficulties. Sorry about that, guys. But I guess let's just do that. Project Deathmatch. I got some 3D text going on. Press K to suicide for switching weapons. M to open and close the menu. So, I guess let's spawn with a revolver. So, let's see. Press P to cock the hammer. Alright. P, I guess, is the hammer cocked. Shoot. Awesome. That actually, that is a nice amount of recoil. That does actually feel like, I like how the camera like moves up and goes back like that. It definitely is. And I also like how like, I'm getting a what was it called? Receiver-esque feel to this game. Oh wait, Control 0 to go to normal. Oh, you're talking about zooming in and out. Okay. Ooh, I also like how the 3D text is actually attached to the gun. That's really cool. So when you move the gun, the instructions on how to move the gun moves too. That's really cool. That'll look really awesome once the artwork becomes more complete. That's a really cool effect. I really like that. Let's see, what else can we look at? I guess let's shoot a target and see if anything happens when we shoot a target. I'm just wondering what that is on the ground. Oh, I guess, is that a bullet hole? Oops, I gotta press P to cock the hammer. Yes, that's a bullet hole. Okay, so how are those bullet holes set up? I think, alright, I guess that one was just a mess up. Oops. My mouse keeps on. Alright, anyways. Okay, looks like that one bullet hole was just a mess up, so I'm guessing that it's so weird pressing P every single time I want to take a shot. Oh, and I can zoom in there. That's cool. Oh, sweet, and it makes a sound when you hit a target. Cool. Awesome. Let's see. I guess let's spawn. Oh, I see. Okay. One thing I would say, actually, what was the game? Hopefully I'll have a chance to get to the game. I definitely, I don't know if he's in, I can't remember the name. There was somebody who made like a game where you play as like I want to say like ninjas. It was like a first-person shooter, but he had a really cool crosshair system that I think would fit perfectly in this game. It was basically a matter of shooting a raycast out of the gun and then drawing a crosshair on your HUD that is kind of like almost like a laser pointer. So like if I were to stand right here, let's see, can I point on the green screen? No, that's going to be impossible. But anyways, the crosshair would be like closer to the gun here, and then as you move back, it would move towards the center of the screen. And it would basically be kind of like the crosshair was like being projected onto whatever surface that your gun was pointing at, and you would get really accurate shots that way. I think this game would be like a perfect game for that type of crosshair. I believe, what was the other game? Was it Zombie Blocks? I want to say that Zombie Blocks had those kind of crosshairs. Was the person that made Zombie Blocks in the chat today? That would be pretty cool. But yeah. Oh, what's this up here? Oh, I see. Press K to suicide. Good thing that's still there. M to open up the menu. Alright, let's spawn with a shotgun. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. Nice dispersal of bullets. I like how they're definitely dispersing in a very realistic fashion. They seem to be a nice, good, even spread. Let's actually shoot them at a wall and see if we can find the shooting pattern of these. Like, typically, if you take a shotgun, this is what I've noticed in Robot Zombies. Okay, yeah, I can see what's going on. Yeah, it looks like you are randomizing it around the y-axis and the x-axis, and that's giving you kind of like a square spread, which isn't really a bad thing. But one of the tricks that I figured out on how to make it more of a circle spread, as opposed to like, see, if you see like if I shoot in the same spot a bunch of times, it'll like kind of almost, actually no, this might be making a circular pattern. I don't know, but it's one of the, I guess I'm just kind of just randomly talking because I did a tutorial on this once. But it doesn't seem to have like any effect. Oh wait, I just realized the bullet holes on the ground and the wall are different. I just now realized that. That's very awesome. Very cool. That's cool. So, no, what'd be really cool is if there were like particles and sound effects for the different surfaces that you shoot. I mean, it seems like you already figured out how to detect whether or not, because you have a different bullet hole for the ground and the wall, so you already have the code in place to detect what you are shooting. So it would be really cool if you put into place like a different debris and sound effect for oh, one thing I forgot is he said that there was one gunshot sound. I'm not hearing anything. Yep, my thing's on. I don't know what gun he said it was on. But, alright, let's spawn with another gun. Oh, one thing I want to say about the shotgun is I would love it if there was a button to cock it, just like there is with the revolver. I don't know if P is a... Well, I guess it depends. Okay, you can play with arrow keys. I guess it depends on your controller setup, like how... Or not controller setup, keyboard setup, just depending on where the buttons are. Like, I always use WSAD, so I wouldn't necessarily say that P is a good... button, but that would be pretty cool if there's a button to cock the shotgun like there is like it is on the revolver. All right, let's check out the rifle. Ooh, this looks more like a double barrel shotgun, or I guess maybe it's a double barrel rifle. A little off center, but that's okay. Whoops. Oh yeah, when I right click, the little menu comes up. Whoops. But let's see how this works. Huh. It's interesting how it... Whoa. I can really see that, when you're... Anders, when you're talking about, with the recoil, I can really see the recoil coming from this. Okay. Sorry, I'm not looking too... I'm not looking too closely at the, chat window here. It's just scrolling by too fast, so I'm sorry if I missed your comments. Dang, 51 people watching. That's awesome. Hey, everyone. Everyone who just joined in. But, yeah, I really like this recoil. I really like the way, like, the gun will move one way and your head will move another way. That kind of gives, like, I've never shot a gun before, but this makes me feel like I'm really shooting a gun. Like, I really like that recoil. It's kind of like, it's, like, disorienting, actually. And it's, yeah, just like with the, you have a pretty wide field of view, too, which I like. It kind of adds to, like, the realism. Oh, I see. When you jump, your crosshairs move a bit. But yeah, I really like that recoil. I can definitely really see what you were saying when you said that you were putting a real emphasis on the recoil effect. But let's press M again. So, assault rifle. Oh, cool. I really like the models of these guns and how they're made up of, like, such... Oh, I see. Oh, they're all... I see. That's, let me try to move my mouse over it. That's like a stretched cylinder. There's a capsule. I think that's either a cylinder or a capsule, and then the rest is cubes. So that's a really cool model made out of such, like, simple, primitive shapes. Okay. Nice. This is cool. Nice. This feels like it has a lot of power behind it, too. I don't think it's not nearly as much as the rifle. I really like the rifle's recoil. Yeah, I can see that they're actually... It looks like they're both using the same system. And, like, the recoil from the head, like... Yeah, whoops. Now it's, like, stuck. I think this gun could use a little bit more recoil, actually. But, I mean, you know. It is up to the game designer. Alright. What's this? Oh. Okay. So it looks like I looked at everything in this game. So, yeah, looking pretty awesome. I wonder if there's anything else that I missed. I really like the 3D text. I'd love to see like 3D text on all the guns and stuff. Let me wait, kill myself one more time. Spawn with the revolver. I love that 3D text on the revolver. That's really cool. So yes. Oh wait. Oh, okay. You're not planning on keeping the assault rifle? Yeah, I guess, okay, now that I think about it, I guess all of the other, I guess, are you thinking like old Western? Like, because Western, I guess modern Western would include an assault rifle, but I guess if you're thinking like old Western, like cowboy era, like, yeah, I guess the assault rifle is the only gun that doesn't really fit with the other three guns, but I really like the revolver, shotgun, and rifle. I think the rifle, I don't know which one is my favorite. I really like the revolver because of the 3D text and how you have to cock back the hammer, but I love the recoil of the rifle. I just love the way it shakes your head like that and is like disorienting, and you really feel you really have some power behind that gun. It's really cool. All right, so I think I checked out everything in that game. So, Anders, awesome game. Definitely, if you guys want to go check that out, it is right here. So, yes. What's the next one? The one that I'm waiting to play is this parkour game. Who is it? It was by Mad Johnny. That's right. I gotta wait for him to come back. So I gotta wait for the go-ahead from Mad Johnny to play that. Oh, Peanut TV or Peanut IV. You gotta go eat? No, don't eat. Who needs eating? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. I guess I'll skip to the parkour game since Mad Johnny is still here. And yes. So, what is this? All right. We got a video. But we also got a whatchamacallit, a web player demo. So I'm going to play the web player demo instead of watching the video, since I think being interactive would be more fun. But let's read this. It's a first-person parkour game, basically kind of inspired by Mirror's Edge. Oh yeah, I remember this. You're showing, well, I guess you're really more like trying to debug it on a previous live stream, but I saw this in a previous live stream. Like Mirror's Edge, made in Unity, programmed in JavaScript. I made it all alone, but achieved it better by watching your tutorials. Thanks, man. Everything in the project is mine. Nothing special at the moment, like artwork. Okay, yeah. I can see it's mostly cubes and just programmer artwork, so it looks like we're really focusing on the gameplay here. Play the web player. Yes, I am going to play the web player. All right. So, we're good. Oh, okay. I really love 3D menus. Like, can I walk around? Yeah, that's cool. I love 3D menus. They're very easy to make in Unity 3D, but they're very, I don't know, they're very cool. All right, welcome. Look behind for help. That's cool. Whoa. That's a run-on sentence. But anyways, still has a lot of bugs. I'm trying to do my best to fix them. All right. Well, bugs are like 90% of development. So let's read the instructions. All right, instructions. You can't run. Left shift will be sliding / crouching. Not implemented yet. Okay. To wall run / wall climb, hold spacebar while colliding with the wall. Then release space to jump. When you're making the wall climb, don't press forward. That will bug. Also, when wall running, don't move your camera too much or the trigger won't be in the wall and you can't jump from it. Have fun. Okay, so we got to be very careful because the game is apparently still pretty buggy. So let's see, wall run. Okay, so I'm guessing there are, I like this ground texture. That's pretty cool. Anyways, what was I saying? So we probably got a trigger on the left side of the character and on the right side of the character, and then I guess on the front side of the character, I'm guessing. So I'm guessing the trigger entered that, and then I don't know. Oh, I see. Alright. And then... Okay, I think I kind of get it. So I'm supposed to use this wall to jump up to that platform, maybe? Let's see if I can do it. Alright, jump. Oh, yeah, I can't hold on forward. Alright. Jump. And I didn't do it. Alright, let's try over here. Let's see, where are we? Alright, I remember seeing this. So, jump. And, I'm really bad at this. Okay. How did... I saw... my under... Okay, I saw this... Alright, I think this is how you get up. Let's see. Oh, I almost had it. Alright, so the sprint hasn't been implemented yet. Oh, can't hold on forward. Okay, this is tricky. Oh, dang it. How do I get up? I guess let's try a wall climb. So I guess I just... Oh, okay. Maybe I can jump up that. Is there... I just want to jump up on something. Let's see. Oh, I know. I'll go like that and parkour. I'm so bad at this. Alright, let's see. Alright, maybe I can go like wall run. Wall run. Oh, alright, let's try this again. Alright, let's try this one. Wall run. Almost. This is really difficult. I saw the person who made this. Who was it by again? Bomberman first person. Oh, okay. It's made by the same person who was thinking about making a Bomberman style game. Maybe you'll combine Bomberman and Mirror's Edge. Oh, release it when you're higher. Can you watch the video since you're so bad at this? Yeah, I probably should do that. Originally, I thought it would be better to have me playing it. But obviously, I'm not good at this at all. Might as well... oh. Yeah, let's watch the video and see the developer play this game. Alright, actually, here, let me go. I gotta mute it just in case the music copyrights. Actually, it doesn't look like the music is going to copyright, so, but whatever. I'll leave it muted anyways. But, yes. Okay. Okay. Dang, Mad Johnny, you're really good at this. He makes this look so easy. Makes this look really easy. Dang, you're really good at this. Dang. Parkour. Now I want to do this. That's awesome. That's really cool. Alright. I'm giving it another try. I gotta at least jump up on top of something. Alright. So how did he do it again? Alright. So he did a bunch of hops. Okay, those are like off the ground. Alright, he like... I don't remember. I think he like jumped up this way. Parkour! Parkour! How did he do that? Alright, jump. Parkour! Alright. And jump. Oh, I got a bunch of height there. Alright. I think I just gotta bounce off the wall. Am I good at fast-paced FPS games? Define good. Yes, I did it! Alright, now I'm gonna go... Parkour! Parkour! Yeah! But, alright, wait, one more. Parkour! Alright, let's try that again. I actually figured out kind of how to do this. I'm trying to think if I am good at any fast-paced FPS games. I used, way back in the day, I used to play Alien vs. Predator 1, and I would play that in multiplayer. That was really fast-paced. Like, every character in that game moved really fast. All right, jump, jump. Ah. I'm trying to think if there's any other fast-paced FPS games. Oh, I almost had that. Wait, it looks like this wall will be better. Yeah! Parkour! And parkour! 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 Yes! And... parkour! Parkour! No! I overjumped it. Oh well, listen, I'm starting to figure this out. But, yeah. This is cool. I can see this game, like, I really want to see it, like, continue to develop. I can see there's a lot of bugs. I mean, well, honestly, like, you made it sound like there was a lot more bugs than I actually have noticed. It took me a while to figure out how to do this and how to control this game, but I didn't really feel like this was overly buggy. I feel like, the controls could still be tightened up a bit, but, I mean, I don't think it's nearly as buggy as you, made it seem like it was going to be. So I think this is definitely a great start, and this could be a lot of fun. Like, definitely, especially if you start implementing like Bomberman stuff in here. Actually, I don't know what your plans are for this game, but I want to see this game continue, and I want to see where this goes because yeah, Mirror's Edge was cool, but I felt like I didn't play a lot of Mirror's Edge. Like, to be honest, I only played the demo. But I felt like Mirror's Edge was kind of linear. And, like, I don't know. It was cool, but I don't think it gave you quite enough freedom because it was pretty limited to the animations that were in the game. Oh, yeah, Brink. Brink was pretty cool. I'm trying to remember. I never played the game. I only watched the like tech demo of it. But it only had it had a limited number of things that you can do. But what I really like about this game is that like I'm pretty sure that you're using a rigid body as the character or instead of a character controller, which I think gives like much more weight to the character, and you can really feel yourself moving around. And since there's no real animations in the game, and it's all done through first person, and you kind of like just assume like what type of animations are happening, I feel like that actually gives you a little bit more freedom. So instead of being limited to the animations that you have at your disposal, you kind of are creating things like in the player's imagination, and the player is kind of like imagining like kind of like filling in like where those animations would normally be. So I think it allows for a lot of freedom, and I think this game is a great start. So yeah, yeah, way to go, Mad Johnny. It's an awesome game. I can't wait to see it continue. And you are free to go to dinner or whatever you were going to do. So yeah, 57 viewers. That's awesome. Actually, I think 58 is the most viewers I ever had at one time. So we're like one away from beating the record. So that is awesome. Oh. Oh, remember to refresh the forums. Thank you for reminding me. Yes, I will. But actually, well, I guess the forums will just get refreshed because I'm going back to this page anyways. Oh, dang. This list has definitely grown. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so I gotta remember which ones I've already done. This might become problematic. So hopefully, yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on in the chat that I'm just missing. Sorry about that, guys. That I'm missing so many things that are like links and stuff to videos and stuff that, yeah. I forgot to change the live name. Did I? Ooh. Oh, thanks, man. Oh. I thought I did change the title. 58 viewers. Yes, we are tied with the record. If we get one more viewer, it'll be a new record. But yeah, I thought I changed the name. Maybe you just got to refresh. Oh, okay, it's good. Okay, it's all good then. It's all good. All right, let's move on to the next game. So, I guess let's go. Did I see this one? Oh, this is by It Hurts and Unity 3D web player and Dropbox demo. So let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, yeah. I think. Wait, is this the one? Yeah, we played this in a previous live stream. It was. I want to say it was an RPG. Well, let's see. Where's the web player demo? Because I want to play it. Is this? Nope, that's the YouTube. Okay. Hey guys, It's Hurts is here, and I just wanted to share the tutorial I did on Unity 3D. Oh, I see. We're showing off a tutorial here. Ah, okay. Yeah, actually, this is a good tutorial. I think I remember if this is the same tutorial that I'm thinking of, but this is how to upload your game as a web player game and do it through Dropbox, which is free. So that is an awesome thing to know how to do. And I've actually never done that before. I've only ever hosted my web player games through eteeskitutorials.com. But I know a lot of people might not have their own website, and it might just be kind of a hassle to host your game through a website. So hosting it on Dropbox is an awesome thing to do. But okay, it looks like he basically lists the 3 main steps here that you got to go through. So let's just click on it real quick. Okay, it's only a 2-minute and 40-second video, so jumps right to the point, so that's great. Yeah, I think this is the one that I saw before. So yeah, this is a good tutorial. So if you guys were wondering how to upload your game to Dropbox in a web player so that people can play it, and so this is also a very, very good tutorial if you want to submit your game to the Show Your Work live stream. This is definitely a good tutorial. So yes, what's this? I'm not sure what Lego Boomy just linked to the chat, but if it's a game, I have to wait until I go through the submissions inside of the forum before I can get to that. Anyways, let's move on to C++ applicatino. Whatever. All right. So, oh, this is also by It Hurts. Okay. What is this? I don't know if this is going to be seen or if it counts, but I have been working on a C++ application that calculates your basal metabolic rate and your active metabolic rate. It makes close calculations, so they're not 100% correct, but it will give you an idea of your caloric needs. All right, well, I guess let's play this real quick.
Hello everybody, it's Hurts and welcome to...
And I want to jump into the action. I don't know if you can necessarily call this gameplay because it looks more like a tool than a game, but I mean programmed in C++, so that's cool. C++ is a good language. It's a very I've heard that C++ is like the Latin of programming. That's the way that I've heard it described. But yeah, it pretty much is, because like a lot of things, like isn't Unity, I want to say that Unity 3D is actually built on C++. So when you're coding inside of Unity 3D, you're actually using C++ like indirectly, or maybe directly, I don't know. But yes. Okay, Bounty X Snipe. Well, I guess I'll just see, like, usually what I'll do is I'll go to, like, the YouTube page to see, and then, like, usually in the description there will be a little something right here if there's copyrighted music, so I'll know before I mute or unmute the thing. So when I get to your game, I'll play it. So, but, yeah, this looks really cool. It's kind of hard to read. Let's see if I just want to see. Yeah, it's pretty hard to read, but it looks like you give it some input, and it gives you back your calories and stuff, so that's really cool. Alright. It's not something I would probably use because I don't even know how much is a lot of calories. Like, I don't even know what carbs are. Somebody said something about carbs today, and I was like, what are carbs? Alright, what are we looking at? Alright, Lego Boomy sent me something. If you're gonna be here towards the end of the live stream, or like if you could submit that, I don't know. I'll have to come back to it because I kind of committed myself to going through all of the forum submissions first, so I'm gonna have to check that out later. Sorry about that. But anyways, I've been working on this game quite a while. I am decided that I'm done with it. All right, and this is by CJ bunch of numbers. Okay, so I did everything in the game except for the music. I got the music from nosoapradio.us. I love nosoapradio.us. And okay, and then we got It Hurts opinion on this. So let's jump and play Little Green Alien on Congregate. And let me go ahead and just mute that real quick right before the music starts. This ad will close automatically. I actually do like this ad because it's by Daniel Campos, that guy right there. He actually choreographed this whole thing. He was like, he would make like breakdance videos on YouTube, and I guess Microsoft picked him up to do this commercial, so that's pretty cool. He actually has some like really creative YouTube videos. All right, anyways, all right, now I can go back here. All right, oh. Yeah. Oh, I see. So that's, is that, I was gonna say, that looks like it's just an image in the background, so it looks like we got 8 levels. I'm liking this. Oh, wait, I remember this. Oh yeah, I think I've seen a video of this. Ooh, I love the background. I want to jump higher. I'm like sitting up to it. See the background? So it looks like a little worm on a desk. Is this inspired by Skewer? Because this reminds me a lot of Skewer, except like a 3D version of it. Yeah, I love the background. That's so creative. You can climb walls by holding down space and the direction key. Okay. Don't touch the spikes. You can stay on... But if you are careful, you can stay on the ceiling. Ah, I see. Oh, you just gotta like press yourself against this. Control space. Okay. Oh boy. Alright, so space. Ah! Restart. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, this is hard. I'm liking this. This is cool. Oh, okay. I kind of get it. So I'm just gonna hold down space and just press A and D. Oh, this is so hard. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Oh my gosh. Alright. Come on. I want it so bad. Yes! Okay. It's a good game. I like it so far. What is this? Okay, so I gotta climb up. Oh my gosh. Alright. I got this. Yeah. Alright. Kind of glitched my way through that. Oh, music is too loud. Sorry about that, guys. Oops. That always happens. Alright. What is... Whoa! They're shooting rockets at me. Alright. Is the music better now? Sorry about that, guys. Ah! Yeah! I'm like Neo from the Matrix. Oh yeah, this was the level that, oh, this level. This was the level that I remember watching a video of, and I was so impressed with, who was this made by again? I forgot to look at the name. But yeah, it does remind me of Super Meat Boy. I really, oh dang it. Just this like challenge level sort of thing. It reminds me a lot of Super Meat Boy and Spewer. This is really hard. Alright. Go. Alright. No problem. Okay. Now what? No. Yeah, like I want to be the guy. I think I want to be the guy was just a tiny bit harder. Wasn't I want to be the guy? Wasn't that the one that was like purposefully hard in the most annoying ways? Oh yeah, I can just go over top of all those spikes. Alright, how do I do this? Okay, I got that part down. This part's so hard. Wait, I can't. Yeah, I knew I could. Oh, well, okay, that worked out. I want to get this. Oh, okay, good. Why is this so hard? I just want to beat this level. That's my goal. Oh, I thought I had it that time. Alright, just one more try. One more try. One more try. One more try. No, one more try. Yes, okay, got that. And, that was close. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this. Oh, yeah. I remember. Yeah, I want to be the guy who looked like a really annoying game to play, and I think the developer wanted it to be that way. But this game, I feel like it's much more fair than I Want to Be the Guy. You really can't compare this to I Want to Be the Guy, because this game was obviously like, there was care and like put into this level design where it's like really hard, but possible. Whereas I Want to Be the Guy was just like mean. It was just purposefully mean. Whereas this one is just like, hey, here's a crazy challenge, see if you can beat it. Which apparently this is very possible, because I saw a video of the developer playing this game and it was crazy. So like such crazy skillage. And alright, one more try. Let's see if I can get past this like one little hallway. Alright. Go. Nope. I'm not good enough for this game. But yep. Little Green Alien by CJ. Awesome game. Yep. I really like it. I love the background, the 3D background, like just like the way that it's like, I don't know, it's just like a relatable, cool, cartoony background. Because it was just like a desk and a chair and a computer and stuff like that. Oh, zombie blocks. Oh, for the Crosshair system. Alright, we'll pull this up for a second just because I wanted to use this game as a demonstration to explain the Crosshair system for that. Who was it? Let me go back to here. Was it Project Deathmatch by Anders? Let's just see real quick. Yes, Project Deathmatch by Anders, the one that we were looking at earlier. So start game, start apocalypse, start. All right, spawning 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yes, I remember. So here is the Crosshair system that I was kind of talking about. So, oh, I see. There's also a dot in the center of the screen. Okay, that's very useful. I didn't realize about that dot. But as you can see, as I like move towards something, the crosshair moves. And it is on the GUI, it looks like, but it is doing a raycast to show you exactly where the shot will land. So you can see, like, as I move, it'll actually show you where the shot lands compared to your gun in 3D space. And like when I guess like the raycast doesn't hit anything, it just puts the cursor in the center of the screen. And just kind of like is infinite. So yeah, that's a cool system, and I think that would fit very well inside of that Project Deathmatch game. But yeah, that was really cool. But yeah, let's see. Let's go back to the show your work. And where were we? Okay, just did Little Green Alien. So Mini Base Wars. Let's see what in the heck Mini Base Wars is. And this is by Unity3D, I guess. Oh yeah, I remember seeing the screenshot for this. Okay. Dang. All right, a lot of information here. So the player and the AI will have to gather enemy power. Will have to gather enemy to power. Oh, energy to power their turrets. They must place their turrets to defend their base. Right now, there's no real goal implemented. You can move around, shoot, and kill things, but you can't respawn. The AI is the main focus at this point. You can gather energy, return to the base, and store energy. Move turrets around. I'm still deciding how I should go about doing the gameplay. Alright. So, only one person working on this game. Okay, most of the artwork is done by Gib. And the shooting sound was done by some other source. Okay, cool. Oh, the blue core is DirectX 11 tessellation. Sweet. Oh, don't attack the AI, just follow the AI vehicle. Alright, cool. Let's take a look at this. Ooh. Alright, so the goal has not yet been programmed. The AI is the main focus of the game right now. Energy. Alright, health, energy. So do I click? Oh, I use WS. Okay. So, right and left, rotate the guy. And W moves him forward. And S moves him backwards. So, let's see what's going on. Alright, grab. E. Ah. Oh, cool. I like how when you grab it, you like actually grab it. I really like the effects and like the feel that's going on in this game. Alright. E maybe? Was that energy? Is there a sprint button? Alright, oh, I see. Here's some instructions. I really like the blur effect. I think it really fits with this game very nicely. Get energy from the core, bring it back to storage containers, the white cylinders, place turrets, work in progress. Okay. So let's go over here. Okay, I guess that was the DirectX 11 tessellation. So that's cool. So I'm guessing that that wasn't actually modeled so much as it was tessellated. So that's really cool. Looks nice. Alright, let's find something to do. Put robot zombies on the stream. Which reminds me, I still need to release Robot Zombies Alpha 6. Oh, that's a turret. Ah, oh, okay. That's what those things are. That's cool. I like that. And that's the AI. Alright, what's my health? My health should be getting pretty low. Good thing I got 1,000 health. Oh, I'm going to die regardless of this much health. I really like what that AI is doing. Let's just watch this AI for a second. No, stop shooting me. I just want to watch the AI. Stop it. I want to see what he does. No. Stop it, turrets. But that's really cool. Like, if I didn't know any better, I would say that that was like another player playing on like a network or something. That's like... I really like that. Like, there's like it looks like that AI is using a lot of strategy. Like, I don't know if like behind the scenes, if there's just a bunch of like predetermined places where that AI is like, oh, there's not a turret in this general area, so let me put a turret in that general area. Or whether or not he's actually calculating out where turrets should go. So yeah, I don't know about that, but yeah, the general player is not going to be thinking about that. So I mean, I think that's really cool. And just the fact that you got the AI to pick up something and move something around in order to build something, that's really cool. I don't think I've ever seen an AI do that. Definitely not in an indie game. Definitely not in a Unity game, that's for sure. So this is looking pretty awesome. So yeah, the AI is the main focus of the game. It looks like the AI is definitely good. Can I pick up an AI turret? An enemy turret? No, I can't. But yeah, I don't know if there's anything else that is happening in this game. Can I do anything with the core? Do I press E on it? No. Wait, energy? Ah, my energy recharges when I'm near the core. Okay. And then when I move back to my turrets, then yeah. But yeah, I could see this game really going somewhere. I really like it so far. I really like the AI. Which, I mean, it sounds like you were really focusing on the AI, so that's good. Alright, and then I just gave some energy to my, like, core thingy, and now I have no energy. So that's cool. So you gotta gather that. So yeah, I could definitely see this game really going somewhere. I love that AI. It looks awesome. Oh, press C and Z. Whoa, whoa, what's that? What happened? What does that do? I think that's just an effect. Is that doing something to the core? It's just shooting in general. Alright, V. Oh, Z. Alright, cool. That's a great effect. It looks like that's just... I'm guessing that's just testing an effect right now. Aggressive AI. What does that mean? Oh, restart the web player, go to the core, and follow the AI. Okay, so I gotta restart it. Oh, I see. I'm going to be live streaming until about 4 o'clock, so about another hour. Can I extend the live stream a bit? I actually don't think I will be able to do that, because I gotta go put a desk together, and then I gotta go work with my brother on making a new intro video for eteeskitutorials. That was supposed to be like repaying me for helping him put together a desk. But yeah, I told him I'd go help him do that like after 4, and then I also got to get Robot Zombies up, so sorry, I don't think I'll be able to extend this. I'm gonna have to cut it at 4 o'clock. But yeah, is there anything I missed inside of this game? I'm really liking this so far. I'm by Gib. Mini Base Wars. I really like it. The only constructive criticism that I would have, and it's pretty irrelevant at this point because the game's so early in development, and like you said, you don't even know exactly what the gameplay is going to be yet. But my only constructive criticism is that the player moves very slow, which I can see as being element and like making it so that you have time for, like, it's a way of limiting the other person from making really, really quick changes. So that would force you to be a bit more strategic. So I can definitely see where you're going with the players moving slow. I think that's like, I can definitely see where you're going with it, but it's irritating when the player moves that slowly. So if there was some way to balance it out, I'm not really sure. But I mean, like I said, you said that the game is still a work in progress and you don't even know where, oh, wait, if you don't look at the controls, then you won't know how to go faster. Oh, there is a way to go faster already? Maybe I'm just... I guess what I'm saying is even more irrelevant. Where are the controls? Controls. They're not posted here. Are they in the game? Oh, they're down here. Shift. Okay. Okay. Alright, shift plus turning controls. Oh, spacebar is boost. Oh, that's much better. Then what I was just saying is totally irrelevant. You fixed it. I guess I just didn't see the controls. Alright, shift. Ah, so shift goes into those kind of controls. So that's cool. Left mouse button to shoot requires energy. Okay, let me get some energy. Apparently there were some things in this game that I really was missing. So, where's my energy? That should be enough energy to shoot. I like that sound effect. Can I just shoot infinitely when I'm right here? That's cool. So that's awesome that it uses up your energy, so it really like adds like like just one more strategic element to the game. So it seems like once you actually do start like refining the gameplay and really like deciding exactly how you want this game to play, it looks like you got a lot of tools at your disposal to affect the gameplay, like just and how a lot of different things are connected here with the energy and the turrets, and yeah, it looks like this is a great start. I am really liking this. So, yeah. Oh, if you got to the core before the AI there, he will shoot at you. Oh. Okay. Let's shoot at the... Let me just go shoot at the AI and see what happens. Die! Please die before I do! How much health is... He has as much health as me! Oh, I'm screwed. Alright, I got a boost. Haha. I'm just gonna push him. No. My energy. Oh, he's attacking me. Ah! What's he at? He's gonna kill me first. Oh, he's so gonna kill me first. This is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go get a turret. You, stop it. Stop it. I need to go get a turret. Now what's he shooting at? Alright. So, alright, I grabbed it. Hey AI, I got a turret for you. I think I need energy to make this turret work. It feels like... Oh wait, no, never mind, I'm just... wait, is he gonna shoot at him? I can't tell if my turret is shooting at him. Oh, you just killed my turret. Aww. Meanie. Yeah, I think this guy's gonna destroy me. Oh, I'm out of energy, so now I'm just dying. Yeah, he's totally gonna beat me. I don't even know what I can do. But dang, this is really awesome. Ooh, and the core has a set amount of energy too? Dang, there's a lot of elements to this game. Oh. Oh, CJ, did I... Oh, wait, did I just... he just killed me, didn't he? But yeah, I am really liking this mini base wars. CJ, were you gone when I played your game? That's a bummer. Well, it'll be uploaded to YouTube, I guess. Oh, okay. Excuse me. But yeah, awesome looking game. I think there's going to be, it looks like there's a lot of strategy so far, and like like I said, once you start refining the gameplay, you got a lot of tools to create the exact strategies that you want and just like balance out a bunch of things. So that's awesome. All right, what's next? Card game 2 Card game 2 Aces for iOS and Android. This is by Me Apps, apparently. Everyone, I want to show a bit of my side project, 2 Aces. Oh, okay, 2 Aces is what it's called. Is game similar to Blackjack, but the highest count is 22. Okay, so I should know how to play this game then. Developed with Lua and Moyai SDK. I haven't heard of those. Oh man, got in some trouble with the Mac and missing some code. Oh, this is Mar9, isn't it? I actually haven't seen this card game before. But yes. Let's see, is there a video? No, it's just an image. But yeah, I don't know if there's really much else to show, but I guess I can't really play the game because I don't have or I can't live stream my iTouch. But yeah, this looks cool. I don't know if there's really much else I can say about it without playing it. But yeah, good job, I guess. Sorry I wasn't able to really like get more information on that. Oh dang, we actually have 2 pages now. Oh, dang. Okay. Alright, we did the parkour game. Alright, Coded. I remember this. Coded. This is by... I don't even think I'm going to attempt your name. I'm just going to do that and let you guys read the name, because there is no way I'm going to pronounce that correctly. So, yes. Hi everyone, and hi eteeski. Hello. First of all, I really like your hard work. Oh, thank you. That's awesome. Thank you, man. Alright, everything about this game was done by me, starting with the game idea, concept, modeling, rigging, animation, texture, code. Awesome. Just the music I got from a free music blog. Cool. The game planned on being released as a full game in 2014 for desktop and iOS, or maybe a little late because I'm busy now in another game for Steam I can share with you. Okay. This is a prototype I did in 10 days in my event 10 days game. The final version will be a lot different because it contains lots of other levels, mechanics, environments, and enemies. So are we able to play this game? Oh, okay, these are just images. Whoop. Wait, is there a link to play it? Wait, yeah, there's a web player on there. I tried it. Oh, is it? I just gotta find it. Where is it? Above the last image. There it is. I just didn't see it. But awesome, we get to play it. Coded. I think I played this game before. I definitely have seen it before. This is one of those games where you see it and it's like, nice. Yeah, I think I did play this before. I like this. It moves very nicely. It it has a lot of character in just the way that it moves. I also really like how the characters, they all have they all have 6 eyes, but I like how they all blink at different times. That's really cool. But yeah, this is one of those games that just like the look of it just sticks in your head. It's like one of those games you won't forget. I can't remember what he said. Did he say press a new game? I guess. Hide from the enemy. Oh yeah. So I gotta jump in the paint bucket. Okay. Maybe he'll pace back. So my guy went from being black to bright orange. Okay, yep. Paste. And gotta wait for him to move. And now I'm invisible. Alright, so now I'm thinking the guy will walk past me. So this is a good time to take a sip of coffee. Okay. Oh, I was just reading the comments. Alright. Awesome. Okay, now I gotta... How am I gonna do this? I guess I can choose whether I want to try to, like, hide in the red or hide in the orange. Okay. No! Let me through! Let me... Do I need to do something with the red? Is it like some sort of trigger thing going on? Was there some kind of lighting going on? I thought I saw the... Oop, okay. Now will it let me go through? Yes. Oh, I see. You have to be a certain color to be able to go through. Okay. So... that means that I want to be yellow. What happens? Okay. If I hit the guy, I just die. Yeah, actually I'm wondering how this is coded. I assume that it's kind of just like saving a variable and like, you know, if color equals yellow, then just change the color of the character, and then also like if color is yellow and inside of yellow trigger, you know, invulnerable to enemy, basically. Okay, how is this gonna work? So I can be orange, which I don't think will help me in this situation. And I can be red. How am I gonna get back up there then? Huh, this is gonna be tricky. Yeah, would this make a good mobile game? Okay, apparently I can hide inside of buckets. Alright, let's see if I can use that as like a platform, but not... No, don't fall in, don't fall in. Oh, okay. The only thing about this being a mobile game is the controls. Okay, that orange bucket is put there. Okay, ooh, that was close. Is like platforming controls on mobile games. Like, the precision of a touchscreen is not enough. I think I can just... Yeah, alright, let's see. Will this guy go under me? And then I think I can just walk past him. Okay, so how am I going to do this? It looks like there's actual real-time shadows in this game. But the only places the shadows are projected... Can I jump over them? Yeah. Oh, dang it. Can I jump over them again? Nope. Alright, let's try this again. I got this. So jump in the yellow. Wait for him to move past. Nope. Ah. Where am I going? Whee! This is difficult. Okay. Just gotta be patient. Yeah, the pink... Yeah, that's... Yeah, it looks like real-time shadows. Ah, dang it. I want to beat this level. I'm I'm trying to think if this would work on Android and iOS, because like the controls are left, right, and jump. So that's 3 buttons, so that's not too bad. You could do like divide up the screen into 3 sections, and just those different 3 sections are 3 buttons. So I guess this maybe could work on touch screen. Oh, it was so close. But yes. Ray14 just sent me something. Oh, I see. Okay. Then I will get to that game if it is in the forums. So it should be in my list of games to get to. Alright, I'm going to just do one more try, because if I spend too much time on each game, we won't get through all the games. So, that's pretty awesome, by the way. The fact that I actually have to manage my time here, that's cool. That, like, just that many people submitted games. That's awesome. Alright, jump over. Alright, no. No! This is difficult. Alright, well, I guess we kind of get the idea. But yeah, this is looking cool. This is definitely, I think this, I'm trying to remember, I think this is like evolved since I've last played it, but it's hard to tell. Oh, I see. Yeah, the enemy shadows are actually projecting even onto the character, which is pretty cool. But yeah, looks like a great game, looks like a lot of fun. I can't remember what else he said. Let's go back to the... Excuse me. Let's see. This was by... Alright. What else did he say? Oh, for the first time, you need to hit new game, not play, it will crash. Oh. Oh, okay, that is what I did. That's a bug. Yeah, so it looks like I did read everything about it. Oh, wait. This is a prototype which was made in 10 days. So everything that I just played was made in 10 days. That's pretty awesome. It's very nice and polished and has a lot of character. So, very awesome. Alright, we gotta move on, otherwise we're not gonna have time to get to everybody. What's next? The Crossbow Alpha 0.2 by Difficulty Studios. Difficulty Studios here. This is my current active game project that I'm working on alone. Everything is made and drawn by me. It's supposed to be a multiplayer game, team-based, so it's red and blue, but for now, it's still single-player with a touch of multiplayer look. Controls are WSAD and mouse, space to jump, and left mouse button to shoot an arrow. Press P to open up the options menu. So far, you can change the graphics settings. That's pretty cool, just right off the bat, that you can change the graphics settings. That's actually something I need to do inside of robot zombies and prototype recoil, and yeah, but which will change the way the pillars in the scene look at you. In fancy they always look at you, in fast they only look one way. All right, well, let's play this. Oh wait, first all right, which one do I play? Oh, here's a picture of what it looked like before. Okay. And now, I guess this is the actual game. Ooh, that loaded fast. Join red team. Name, eteeskitutorials. Join red team. Okay. Woo! Long fall. I like these graphics. They're like very, what do they remind me of? It's like just the 8-bit era. It just reminds me of, whoa, oh, cool. I got a trail going on behind me. Oh, that's really cool. It like reminds me of the 8-bit era, but like it obviously has like I have to walk around these walls, apparently. Okay, so there's some invisible walls going on, but that's okay. Okay. Oh. So it shoots more like a boomerang. But yeah, this is looking cool. I really can't wait until you get some multiplayer in here and get to like play against each other. But yeah, I really love this, like how it's like 8-bit, but it's totally 3D and has like these particles and stuff you would never be able to actually pull off in the real 8-bit era. So it obviously this game could have never existed back in the 8-bit era, but it has that 8-bit look and feel to it. So that's really cool. It really feels like something that would have come out at that time, but obviously didn't because it's 3D and has like a lot of stuff going on. And I like these particles. I think that's going to add a lot to the gameplay. Just being able to like track these particles and figure out like where the player is moving, because it looks like the player can move really fast. So that looks like it'll be like a big element to the gameplay. But yeah, looking cool. I like it. All right. And that was by Difficulty Studios. Awesome work, man. All right, where are you? Art collector, blender, stylized game, pop art level. Sounds cool. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, whoa. This game just keeps changing. Holy crap. All right, I'm gonna just quickly mute it before it starts, and I think you mentioned that there's no copyrighted music if you're the person I'm thinking of. So, all right. Is there... Oh, I guess there's just no sound in the video. But dang, I love this art style so much. The last time I saw this game, it was like almost the same thing, except it was in like a watercolor effect. And, oh, with the Campbell's soup, that's pretty cool. I don't think you have to worry about copyright with Campbell's soup because of Andy Warhol, right? But yeah, I love this style. This game has so much style to it. And I mean, I've seen this I mean, I didn't see this video before. This game's actually like, I don't want to say it's come a long way because it looked really awesome before, but it looked the same but different before, because it looked like this, but instead of like pop art comic book, it was like watercolor paintings. So it is really cool the way you can like switch back and forth the styles just by changing like the texture, and the way that the texture is like always facing the screen, so it kind of is like a cutout area. But it looks like this game, it like uses the Blender game engine awesomely, and like yeah, just like usually I tell people not to use the Blender game engine. I don't know much about the Blender game engine, but usually I tell them like, hey, the Blender game engine is good, but Unity is better. But this game, like, it looks like it was like I'm sure you probably yeah, I definitely say like if you got like the shader work done right, you could do this in Unity, but this game definitely takes advantage of the Blender game engine. Like, that's very cool. I love the art style of this game, and it's such a unique project. Like, I really, really love the art style of this game. I think what I was talking about before when I saw this game before was I was talking about the kind of art styles that you typically want to go for if you're an indie game developer, because I see a lot of people kind of look at AAA games and think, oh, I want to make a game like that. But it's like, hey, you're an indie game developer. They have millions of dollars to put towards those graphics. You kind of don't. I mean, we don't. I'm going to say we, because I definitely fall into the same category. I cannot produce AAA graphics. And I was just using this, or I was, the last time I saw this game, I was talking about how this game is a perfect example of what I was saying with that, where it's just like, it looks so awesome, but it's not AAA graphics. And it really has such an emphasis on style. There's so much style in this game, and therefore it's awesome to look at, and it is just like a great piece of art. So just because it's not realistic looking doesn't mean that it's not awesome. Like, this game is very awesome, and I can't wait to see this continue, and I love the way this is progressing, and I love the flexibility of this art style and how you're able to interchange these different things and just make the game look so different yet uniform. And like, I don't know. Yeah, it has no boobs. It's not a AAA game. That's right. Is Minecraft a AAA game? That's a good question. It started off as a AAA game. Um, I mean, it started off as an indie game for sure. It used to be very indie. Whether or not it's still whether or not it's AAA, I don't know. But yes. Okay. I'll go back to Difficulty Studios game and check the graphical settings. Because I forgot that he did mention. All right, Crossbow Alpha. Okay, I gotta go back and play this and check out the graphical settings. So name, that's my name. Okay. Oh, I should have gone back and read it. Did he say M, P? Yes, P. Okay. Oh, okay. I want to do. Where's my mouse? Do I just arrow keys? Nope. No. No. Okay. All right, my mouse is there. I want to select fancy, but I can't figure out how. All right, let's see if I go back here. Does it say? Okay, it just says P to open it. So P to close, P to open. I want to select it. Oh, I got it. All right, so now the graphics should be fancy. Is the particle trail different? It looks like no, the particle trail looks mostly the same. Did it actually change? I'm not actually seeing anything different. I don't know if anything changed. Let's see what's going on. The pillars. Those pillars. Okay. That's right. You said the pillars should rotate inside of fancy mode. And I guess here are some of the pillars. Did it just not register? Alright. You're on fast. I thought I was on fancy. I'm just gonna click, just randomly click until I get it. Okay. Am I now on fancy? Now I'm on fancy. I see now. So now all of the pillars are in, I believe it's called billboard mode, or at least in the particle renderer, that's what it's called. When they're just always looking at you. Okay. I'm guessing the reason why there's a separation between fast and fancy is because you're probably using a transform.lookAt function, if I had to guess. So yeah, that definitely actually makes the game feel even more like it's in the 8-bit era. Because first-person shooters in that era used to do that all the time. Actually, you know what would be really awesome is if the characters were like that too. Like, once you start getting other players in here and make it kind of like how, like, in Doom, and, like, what was the other one? Wolfenstein and, like, those old games, like how the characters used to always face you no matter, like, what angle you were looking at them. I think this game would be perfect for that. I would actually really enjoy to see characters like that, to use this same kind of, like, billboard mode. But, yeah, very cool. Alright. Where were we? Okay. The blender. Alright, so now we're going to take a look at Disposable by Entropy. Awesome. Alright, so there's the video, and here's the game. Let's play the game. I have random ammo drops. Okay, I think this is the zombie, top-down shooter zombie game, I think. But it looks like we got ammo in the game now, which was something I was waiting for. If this is... Ooh, and a main menu. Was it? There's a nice lens flare going on that fire. Very cool looking. Alright, press E to play. Endless combat, ammo drops. How long can you last? Alright, cool. Yes, I do remember this game. I like how it changes up just a little bit every time. Awesome. It like just it continuously evolves. All right, let's test out the shotgun. Because I remember in the first version, the shotgun was very underpowered. And it looks like now it is better. It's definitely not overpowered, which is something that is usually a problem in zombie games. Is like the shotgun always becomes the best gun. Because just the way those zombies behave is they're just naturally... Oh, I guess that's the ammo. Looks like it. And now it's daytime. Okay. And then we press E to make it go back into nighttime. Awesome. Let's see if there's like anything else new. Basically, we got just ammo drops. Kind of a new look going on with this new like fire. Trying to tell if there's anything else new here. It looks like just a bunch of tiny changes. Just like the game's constantly evolving. Like, I don't remember this main menu. I think that's new. That's pretty awesome. Gather around the campfire, my zombies. That's funny. Yeah, I'm guessing this is all the capsules are probably placeholder artwork anyways. There's an add splatter with particles. Oh yeah. Oh wait, no, there is, isn't there? I'm seeing a little bit of like red. Yeah, it looks like there is a little bit of blood particles in there. So you can tell when you hit them. Yeah, there's a tiny bit of blood. I guess it's actually a realistic amount of blood. I think games tend to exaggerate how much blood actually flies out, like when you shoot somebody. Then again, I've never shot a person before, so, or any living thing or any gun before, so I don't know how much blood shoots out when you shoot something. So, yeah. All right, watch the video. All right, vid. I can't remember. I think I've watched this video. All right. Let me just double check there's no copyrighted music. Yep, we're good. Yeah, I remember this now. Trying to think.
But I think you'll have more important things to use your ammo on than as a torch.
Oh, I definitely watched this video before.
You know,
I liked
so
it.
It keeps you...
Yeah. So, if you guys want to check out that video, I don't really remember what was in the video, but I know that I watched it. Alright. Looks like we got everything on the first page. Oh wait, was there only one page? Let me refresh and see. No, I knew there was 2 pages. Oh, there's a lot. Oh. Okay, which ones? Alright, let's start from the bottom. I played mini bass. Alright, that. I don't think I checked this one out yet. Okay. Oh, wait. This is an FPS game demo. No name yet. I've been working alone on this project. The enemy scripts and the enemy body and the gun are from the FPS 1 tutorials. Awesome! But I changed the movement script to add more custom movements, and I'm using A-star pathfinding for the enemies. The rest of the game is scripted and designed by me. These credits can also be found in the main menu of the game. That's awesome. If you find my game interesting as well as my FPS engine, the main menu as well as my custom movements and my enemy. Okay, cool. Let's check this out. Oh. I really like this movement. All right, let's check out credits. Credits to eteeskitutorials for my enemy scripts. Oh, that's awesome. And the gun from the FPS 1 kits. Sweet. Scripted the FPS 1 engine myself and the main menu. Credits to A-star pathfinding. Programs used: Blender and Unity3D. Alright, cool. I love this main menu. Let's click on help and see what happens. Ah, I love this 3D-ness. I love 3D text. Alright, WSADs, RF, E, not in use yet. Shoot, aim, pause. Okay. General standard controls. This, oh wait. What's going on here? This gun was from the, was this gun from the FPS 1 tutorials? I can't remember who it was. Somebody donated a gun to the FPS 1 tutorials. It looks like that's, yep, this is that gun, I believe. Eliminate all enemy hostiles. Ah, there's an enemy hostile. Die! Whoa, whoa. Oh, it is the AI from the FPS 1 tutorials. Yeah! That's awesome. What else is going on? I really love the look of this game. It's really cool. Oh, alright. Another AI. Let's see if I can get a headshot. I thought I got a headshot. Was that slow motion? Oh, my health is low. It looks like there's a sound effect when the bullets hit. Yeah, I think there's sound effects when the bullets hit the enemy. Alright. It's a little weird navigating with no textures. End of demo. Awesome. Can I kill him? At least I can see his bullets and dodging. Oh, I think that was slow motion. I think. It's hard to tell. But that's awesome. I really like how there's like, oh, that's cool. How on the... It told me when I picked up ammo. That was a nice touch. But I like how there's even presentation in this game for just saying, this is the end of the demo. So, yeah. Very awesome. I think that's a great start to an FPS project. Alright, cool. Thanks for all the FPS 1 tutorial shoutouts. That was awesome. Alright, now where are we? Medieval Mechanics Game by Ray. Okay. I've been working on this game every now and then. I just want you to see it. Awesome. Alright. The goal of the game is simple. Do whatever you want. Have fun. This is pre-alpha. Okay. Have I seen this before? I think I remember that website. Let's just click on play game. Oh, yeah. What's that bar at the top? I think I did see this before. Alright, it's P maybe? Let's just press buttons and see what we can make this game do. Whoops. What did I just do? Okay, zooming in and out. Oh yeah, I remember this. I remember commenting on like how much I like the way the camera changes. I guess I gotta refresh. Oh, go to the tutorial? Tutorial world. Oh, okay, cool. To move forward and backwards, use W and right and Z. Okay. 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 So those are the controls. What does this do? Is it not implemented yet? It was pre-alpha. It's not even alpha, it's pre-alpha. So I'm guessing that means that there's a lot of stuff that hasn't been implemented yet. Okay, we got some physics going on, it looks like. But yes, it looks like I think that's everything. Oh, click it, click it. Ah, now I have a sword. Can I see it yet? Okay, no, it was just added to the inventory. So, yes. Was that everything? I'm trying to find out if there's... None of those do anything? Alright. What's FPS 1? Oh, okay, you already answered the question. Go to tutorial. Okay, yeah. But anyways, yeah, FPS 1 is my first-person shooter tutorials. All right, so awesome game, Ray. Did I see everything in the game? I'll come back to it if you tell me that I missed something. But what is next? All right. Just a single jump game. Have I ever thought of doing a game club, like a book club, but with games? I'm guessing that you saw eldergeek.com's book club. Actually, I at one point did think that I wanted to do that. I don't know. I tried organizing it and setting it up, but it was just too difficult to set up and finding the right people to do it with. And yeah, I don't know. I think it's better to just sort of naturally let things evolve as they go. Kind of like with this whole like live streaming stuff. And I just want to keep expanding on this. And I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it'll turn into something like that. But I don't know. Let's see. Game. All right. So space jump, double jump, left mouse, add speed, tab, slow motion, escape as menu. Okay. Which is better, UScript or Playmaker? I don't know exactly. I think I've heard Playmaker more, like I've just heard that name more than UScript, but I can't really tell you which one is better. I guess it really comes down to which features each of them offer. I'd say like watch some tutorials for both of them and see which one looks easier and like more useful. All right, so level 1. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We got an infinite runner. Okay. Is this just... Okay, okay, red I think means die. All right, tab is slow motion, right? All right, it looks like red means die. So, what am I supposed to do? Jump. All right. I thought I could double jump. Oh. Okay. I think that collision just didn't register. Yeah, okay, I see. Am I supposed to be able to move through red walls? Ah. I love that cat at the end. That's great. All right, let's see if I can beat level 2. How are you supposed to get that diamond? All right, what does green do? Woo! Super speed. Oh, what'd I do? Alright. Jump. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh, yeah, you said left click was to add speed? And I guess the ground is death. Alright, let's see if I can beat this. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, I got this. I got this. Jump. And jump, jump, jump. Oh. I want to beat this. Come on. This left click. It feels like left click is add speed. If there was some textures on here, I feel like this would feel like the game was moving much faster because it's hard to tell. Whoa. Like, I can tell that things... Oh, dang it. Right on that spike. I can tell that things are moving. But it's kind of hard to see how fast things are moving by you. And I think just some simple textures, like any kind of texture, I think, would really show off how fast you really are moving in this game. Dang it. This is so hard. I want to beat it. What? Alright. Okay, so jump, and then up here I got to double jump over these things. I don't know if I have enough speed. Uh-huh. So close. I don't know. All right, well, I got to move on because I got to make sure I got to get through all of these games. Okay. So that was, let me go back to see who it was by. That was by Only Cubes. So, yes. Only Cubes. Oh, I get it, because your entire game. No, there's a capsule in your game. It wasn't Only Cubes. Alright. Alright. Let's move on. Project Heroes by Bounty X Snipe. Video unavailable. Aww. A fast-paced FPS game made by a small team. Finishes uploading at... Oh, okay. So the video is still uploading. Okay. That is why. So I guess I will have to come back to this, won't I? Okay. We'll come back to that. Empires, randomly generated environments. And this is by Farech, believe. Okay. Hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. But the basis for this game I am currently working on called Empires. The web player below displays a simple 50 by 50 randomly generated chunk of a world. Currently, it only spawns simple resources and randomly placed curving rivers. It's not much, but I view it as a success for only 2 days of work. And I'm currently working alone, and all of the models and scripts are also done by me. Awesome. Zoom with a scroll wheel, move with WCD, click, empty plot to spawn house. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, Farech, I don't know. All right. So far, I'm liking this gun sway. Actually, can I? I just want to make it a little bit bigger. Do I have most of the game? Alright, looks like I got most of the game in there. Alright. Randomly generated. So what's this? Whoa. Whoa, 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 that's a freaky looking dog. You modeled this? Stop moving. This is an awesome model. I want to check this out. That thing's scary. Oh, I love it. Okay, I guess it's an AI. Whoops. Can I kill it? I guess oh, now it's gone. Now I can't. Oh, there's more of them. Wow, I love that model. It's so cool looking. It's so scary. But let's see. What else is going on in this game? What were some of the things? Am I missing controls? Mouse wheel to zoom? Is this... Am I playing the right game? Okay. Wait, yes, second one? Yeah, the gun model's nice too. Alright, looks like I checked out everything in this game. But let's take one more look at that dog model. I don't know if it's really a dog, but... Turn around and look at me. Oh, it has like 2 jaws and like 20 eyes. Dang, I really love this thing. It's so scary looking. Oh, with its like feet and paws. Oh, it's so cool looking. And I'm gonna fall. So yeah, that is looking cool. So I really love that model. Was I playing the right game? I didn't see anything with a zoom. Oh, yeah, and wait. I don't think I'm playing the right game. Yeah, there's only one there. Oh. Oh, wrong link. Oh, okay. It hurts. I did look at your game. Were you gone when I was looking at your game? Wait, did I look at It Hurts game? I think I did. All right, we'll come back to this, I guess. Either way, what I saw, I liked it. So yeah, I'll leave those links open. Oops, what did I click on? Project Heroes. We already looked at that. All right, let's move on to the next page. All right, these are all the ones that we already played. So, oh. It looks like we have one more. I think. Yeah. I like the graphics of this. Anton's Adventure. This is a little game we made last summer, but recently released on Android. Here's the web version. Look for hats, fight bunnies. Okay. And this is by Wallmaster. Okay, here's the link if you want to go download it for Android. Music was made for the game, so it's YouTube safe. Okay, cool. That's awesome that the music was made for the game. That's always awesome. Controls, click where you want to go. Then, wait. When in battle, swipe on either left or right side of the screen to fend off the bunnies. All right. I am ready to play this game. So. Wait for it to load. Oh man, we're getting lag. Try switching to the web browser Opera. I've heard that reduces lag. Oh, okay, no more lag. Sweet. But awesome. Touch to start. So you touch where you want to go. I'm liking this so far. Oh, there's a hat. Awesome. Can you guys hear this? I want to make sure you guys can hear this music. Alright, what's this? I want to fight. Fight! This is just so fun. It's just like, everything about this game makes me smile. Win. Is it like ice cream? I mean, like, the entire game is centered around ice cream, bunnies, and hats. Like, how could you play this game without a giant smile on your face? Fight! Alright. Die, bunny! What do fish do? I like how, like, epic the music is right now. Oh. This is such epic music. Oh. Okay, are we good? We're good. Oh, I didn't realize that I had the thingamajig. Oh, well, you can still see most of the game. I'll go over here and do that so you can see the whole screen. Alright, I want to find one more hat. I want to see what the different hat types are. No. Okay, I'll fight one more bunny. This reminds me of Pokemon almost. Or I guess really any kind of game where when you walk into an enemy... Oh, I see. If you eat fish, you get health. Okay. Alright, where's that hat? I just want to collect one more hat. No. Ah. Die! you whack a rabbit in the face with a fish, and then the rabbit goes. Win. Alright. Proceed with caution here. No! I evaded you, rabbit. Oh, no, no. Oh. Alright, one more. Die, buddies, die! I love this music. 59 people watching! Woo! We broke the record! Oh, what happened to the chat window? The chat window disappeared. I mean, you guys watching the live stream can still see it, but the people on YouTube are going to be like, where'd the chat window go? So, actually, let me see if I can just go to that and go to that. Alright, it's back. Stupid XSplit giving me glitches. But yeah, 59 people watching, new record! Yeah. I want to find this hat. Where is it? There it is. Woohoo! I found the hat. Now where do I go? I don't know. But it looks like I've pretty much mostly explored what this game has. So... Oh, another hat! Found 2 hats in a row. Ah. So, very awesome. Like, it's like Pokemon, but with rabbits and hats, and you whack the Pokemon with fish, basically. So yeah, awesome game by Wallmaster. So if you guys want to go download that for your Android, the link is right here. So yes. Oh, pause to check your hats. Oh. Oh well. But let's see. Ooh, I got a text. Alright, PS old link. Alright, so it looks like now this should be the right game. Okay. So this was, let me go back here. This is by Farach. Alright, so I guess let's click new game. Okay. Alright. Mouse wheel to zoom in. WSAD to move around. Let's see, we're in orthographic view. Kind of reminds me of like playing Roller Coaster Tycoon. Like the really old Roller Coaster Tycoons. When everything was still 2D. Like this orthographic view makes it feel like it's in like 2D when I can actually tell it's actually 3D though. But let's see. Harvest. Why is that menu moving around so strangely? Home. Cancel? Okay. Haul. Trying to find out what I can do. What do you say the controls were? Did we say, okay. Harvest. I guess that's not yet implemented. Why does the menu move so oddly? What else is going on? I guess everything just creates that little floaty menu. I don't know why that moves. Such a... yeah, why does it do that? That's odd. It's kind of hard clicking on things. But let's see. I want to make a house. I was told that I can make a house. Restart it and watch the world change. Okay. Oh yeah, because you said it was procedurally generated. So, what's under... I guess let's just do new game. Awesome. Yeah, I like how that river builds itself. Very cool. So, what will be the goal of this game? Sim City? Like a city or Civ Rev. Oh, okay. So kind of like Civilization. Cool. Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, if you want it to be like Sim City, you could just make it be always online DRM. And people love always online DRM for single player games. I don't play single player games unless you have to log on to play it. So, anyways, just thought I'd make fun of Sim City for a second there, but oh, sweet. Thank you, Muhammad. All right. Well, it looks like I've checked out everything in this game. Oh, wait. Let's click on home and see if I can buy a home. Oh, I gotta buy a plot first? Insufficient funds. Okay. What am I missing? I am missing... I don't know. It's hard to tell. I don't think these letters match up. Oh, wait. The buy button, buy... Oh, is it a button? I don't know. I guess the game was in alpha, right? It looks like the game's not... Oh, yeah. 2 days of work. Forgot about that part. So this is awesome for 2 days of work. So that is really impressive. So awesome. Empires by Farech. Farech. Something like that. I'm sorry, I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Well, let's refresh this and see if this video... I need to have the chat window implanted into my eyes. Then I would just constantly be like staring. Alright, but let's see if it plays yet. Yeah. Alright. Let's just go to YouTube. Let's just double check. Okay. Oh wait, music. Oh wait. I'm gonna mute it just in case. So, Project Heroes. Unity FPS game. Name is temporary. Okay. Alright. So, awesome. Thanks, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember seeing this game. I was really I'm glad that this like came into the game like before came into the live stream, or I'm glad that this was uploaded before the live stream was finished, because I saw a video of this game before the live stream and I was really impressed with this game. And like I love the fast-paced movements and how all the different classes. I really love how you can like just jump around, do all these crazy jumps. Also, I really love the crosshairs. When I think it's like more of like a shotgun. Let's see if it shows it. There's like a shotgun type of gun where the crosshairs like kind of like spatter like that, I believe. Sniper rifle. Very cool. What else is going on in this game? I also like that like last grenade type, that like grenade launcher was like, yeah, this gun, how it like knocks you backwards. And I saw I forgot what I saw Bounty X Snipe playing this game, like bouncing like from wall to wall using that. Yeah, just like that. So that's really cool. Yeah, it looks like there's like a lot of really cool unique things going on in this game. And yeah, I'd love to see this continue. Oh yeah, the sniper slide. I remember that. That's such a cool idea. Oh dang. Actually have a level set up for ninja parkour. That's awesome. It seems like I think the ninja would be my favorite class if I were to play this game like once it's finished. It looks like I'm liking ninja the most. It seems like that would fit my play style the most. That's cool. That's awesome. Got some dodging mechanics in there. Oh, wait, I think that was the gun where the crosshairs like spread and you see like multiple crosshairs. Let's see if it shows it. And unleash your ultimate weapon. Whoa. So I guess this is going to shoot a nuke. That looks like it killed everybody in the scene. See, the thing about tessellation is that you can emulate tessellation by just adding more polygons to your models and just spending more time modeling your models, so you don't actually need tessellation. But I assume you said that sarcastically. Alright, we got a model show reel. Before I click on that really quickly, let me just refresh this one more time, make sure we got everything. It looks like we got everything. Good timing too, because it is now 4 o'clock, but I guess I have time to watch this last show reel. Pause it real quick and double check the music. Alright, I don't see anything on the music, so I assume it's good. Nice intro, that's really cool. No, this music's from Command and Conquer, isn't it? I'm gonna mute it just in case. 3. Model show reel. Oh yeah, I remember this. Did we show this on a Show Your Work live stream? I can't remember. I do remember seeing this though. So yeah, I'll let this run since it's only 2 minutes long. Yeah, I definitely remember seeing this. Very cool, like a lot of medieval RPG-esque stuff. The music is royalty free. Oh. Okay, then I guess we can play it. I think that's probably blasting in your guys' ears. Oh. Coded is in the App Stores. Oh, is in the App Store review right now. Awesome. Oops, 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 oops. Alright, there we go. I like the cloth hanging over there. Oh, I don't remember this. That's looking awesome. Ooh, I like that. That's cool too. I like that. I really like the woodwork there and all the different panels. And that's like before any textures, isn't it? But yeah. Alright, cool. Well, it is now 4:05, so I gotta end the live stream because I gotta go put a desk together. Great. And then I'm gonna make a new intro, hopefully, for eteeskitutorials, so let's hope that goes well. Hopefully I'll have a cool new 3D animation for you guys to look at every time I start a video now. But yeah, thank you everyone who submitted your projects. I think definitely the next Show Your Work live stream, I'm going to do this forum system again. I really like this forum system. I think it worked out really well. It was so much smoother than the other Show Your Work live streams. Wait. Oh, I see. My hand's just cutting off from the... Anyways, I was just getting confused. But yeah, the chat's moving so fast. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, goodbye. Awesome Glowworm Games is going to be submitting soon. Yeah, I really like the forum system. I'm going to do that for the next one. So I'm going to leave the forum links up, but I'm going to close this thread and then open up a new thread for the next upcoming Show Your Work live stream. So that way we can kind of have like a history sort of like system. So, and then by closing it, it'll just kind of force people to create a new list every single week or 2 weeks for the Show Your Work live stream. Let's see. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I gotta let you guys know about before I head out. I don't think so. When is the next live stream going to be? I guess the next live stream is going to be on Monday, and it's just going to be regular game dev working on games. So Monday through Friday, working on making video games. So I'll be working on Prototype Recoil and maybe some Robot Zombies, but mostly Prototype Recoil. I'm going to be working on that Monday through Friday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then and then Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I believe. So the March 15th, I believe is what it's supposed to be, is going to be the Rain Indie Rival Theory interview. So that is going to be awesome. I'm really looking forward to that. And then on Saturday, it will be, in GMT time. Actually, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to just have you convert it. Because the problem is I don't want to start announcing. I realize that it would be very convenient if I started announcing everything in GMT time because most of the viewers of the live streams are in GMT time. But the only problem is that I'm a little skeptical about, like, I don't want to accidentally tell you guys the wrong time and then have you show up at the wrong time and have you miss the live stream. So, like, sometimes I guess, like, I think for the last for the last live stream, I said something about GMT time, and then somebody said that it was wrong, and I don't know whether or not it was wrong or not. So yeah, so I guess I'm going to have to just kind of announce everything in EST time zone because that's where I live. So I'm not going to get that wrong because all I got to do is look at any clock around where I am. Just like, so, yeah, I'm going to have to give you guys all of it in EST time zone. But somebody said that it was 7 p.m. in GMT time zone, which I believe is correct. I'm not entirely sure because I don't live in that time zone, so I don't want to say because I don't want to accidentally tell you guys the wrong time. But yeah, and then let's see, after, so next Saturday, so 7 days from now, is going to be the Game Dev Unity3D Q&A. And yeah, I think that is pretty much everything. So once again, thank you everybody who submitted. Your games were awesome. I can't wait until the next Show Your Work live stream, and we will be sheeing more and doing more live streams and all of that cool stuff. So yeah, thank you everybody. And let me just click on this so that the thingamajig doesn't lag. All right, and yeah, I guess until my next episode, I'll see you guys later and keep making games. Oh, it lagged anyways. Whatever. My face always looks stupid. Come on. Get off my stupid face. I look dumb. Thank you. All right. See you guys.